Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to invite your friends to WorldRemit and how to receive the promotional money, which is around $20. So let's jump into it. First you have to open the WorldRemit app, and then you will see at the top of the screen, if you are new to the app, I want to get 75. Right now I'm in Romania, so it's in RON, but you will see in your home currency how to receive 75 RON. Then tap on it and it will say that you will have to invite your friends, and then if your friends start to use WorldRemit and after their first transactions, you will receive this promotional amount of money. You can invite any amount of friends, so you can really make some money with this. That's it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy. So thank you for watching and see you in the next one.